Hello everyone, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com. Taking a look at the beginning of the new week and typical Monday, holiday here in the US, and typical shitty Monday. When we start, the whole past week here we had this very big bullish. Just come over here and look at this ridiculousness. I don't know what got into the bulls here. Craziness, I tell you. Not reading the same papers I am, but that's alright. Extreme bullish behavior. And look where we get. I really was hoping to get rid of this damn thing. And in theory, once it crossed here, we would. You could pretty much close this down, and this would be a whole new move. But it's not. We've got this really nonsensical, chaotic behavior here, which is, welcome to the forex market. Let's take a look at our ceiling, and our ceiling has been established for quite some time. Right here, right? Right here. Ooh, not going in there. Got close there. Got close the very first time here. So this is really acting as serious resistance. And I said a long time ago in a video, even if we blow through this, this is going to act as serious resistance. Now I don't believe this move for one bit. I think the European Union's still in a lot of shit. But this is how the market plays. They want to blow some stops up and believe in this bullish action. Go ahead. Again, I still maintain we're headed back down. But now we have two areas. Now we have this one right here and this one right here. And now let's see how long that will play out until one of these is really sustained. One of these breaks is really sustained. Will we go here? And again, we got a stopping point up here, or will we move back down to here? Whoop. Who knows? That's why I'm a day trader. Whew, this is just not a lot of fun. If you're a long-term trader, you're getting beat up. All right. So again, we go back to something we've talked about billionth times. And 10's big. I should notice that. Sorry. 8's pretty big too. I like them small. So we started here the day that we start below the pivot point, so we are thinking sell, and we only had, from our perspective, one trade, and this would have been it, and you'd been in the money, been a decent trade. Again, might end to get you in late. However, if you're watching the system, if you're watching indicators, and you realize that we're floating down, and then we're below the pivot point, and you realize all the other triggers that we use in the ebook, then you probably be in this trade. Again, it should come back down to here, boop, to fulfill our. But I'd be out. I'd have been out as soon as we started playing around this little wedge we got here. We're gonna need some more news, some more bias to move this thing around. So just an interesting week. Last week it was just all bullish. And the start of this one, no one's buying. I guess at these levels are like, no thanks. So that's where we are. And just a short video because there's just there's just not a lot going on. We had this really bizarre bullish behavior last week, and then we had this. It gets to our resistance area, and back down we go. So we're going to be in between these two ranges until something strong really seals the euro or the dollar's direction, and I don't see anything on the horizon that's going to do that right now. So we'll just have to play and wait and look at our system, come back to our system and be patient. Here last week we had, don't know what the hell that is. These guys are out of nowhere. I mean, that's bizarre. This is just bad code. That right here, these were the trades right here. These were the ones you wanted to be in. I was in this one. Actually not in this pair on the pound, and no, not in that one. I was in this one. Should have been in this one. Jesus, look at that beautiful move. Alright, so again, if you're a TIB trader, then you trade the 15-minute chart and forget what everyone else does, and you wait for some really nice moves. And this is not a really nice move. So heading into the Asian session, what am I doing? Playing cards. I'm doing anything but trading this. Don't want to be a part of it. No thanks. Because there's just nothing. Will it roll over and come down here and test this bottom and maybe fall a little further? Yeah, sure. Could it come right back up here to Want to blow through this top? Sure. That's why we'll wait for a sustained move before they pull the trigger. Or this, again, I wasn't awake, but this would have been a solid trade. This first red candle after this move. We had this one green. Notice how they're all green, and then the red. That's a great entry. All right, why? Because they're all green. They're all 15-minute green candles, and you can see waning, back down we go. All right, folks, that's it. Again, short one, and just not much going on. And hopefully we'll get some direction soon. Have a great day, and we'll talk at you later.